You are going to love the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.